Hello, my name is Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about franchise agreement review for franchisees or potential business owners. You're an entrepreneur, you've identified a franchise that you think has long-term potential, and you see a future there. And so, after a lot of investigation and diligence on your part, a lot of conversations, you now come to the table and you are receiving now a franchise agreement that you must agree to, which will lay out the percentages and payments and fees that you will now pay the franchisor for the franchise with you as the franchisee. And so this is very common for us as we represent entrepreneurs and business owners across Virginia, for them to now need help thinking through the particulars with someone that's an advocate for them, thinking through the ramifications of what this will look like for me as the business owner. And so what we will often do is hop on a Zoom call for an hour and a half where we share the document, the franchise agreement on the screen, and go through it page by page, laying out the issues. So first you understand what it says, and then off the page you understand the implications of what that means based on what it says. And oftentimes we find there's a, whoa, I didn't realize that could mean this, or I didn't realize the fee for this meant I couldn't get out then. So it's just helpful to have a neutral sounding board, a legal advisor that's privately and discreetly just counseling you. This is what the agreement says. This is what that could mean. And here are areas of maybe concern or areas that you need to nudge the numbers a little bit and negotiate the numbers and making sure that it's reasonable and will work out for the long-term benefit of both you, the franchisee, and the franchisor. Because ultimately, we need success on both sides for this to work. And so, before you sign the dotted line and become a franchisee, set up a comprehensive franchise review with us. It will be an hour and a half Zoom meeting where we will hop on, share the screen, go through the document, and lay out what we're seeing and the implications of what we're seeing. It's an exciting day when someone decides to step out and become a business owner. We're excited for you, and we've lived this journey with enough clients now over many years that we can truly help you think through it, think through the implications, and make sure we're setting you up for long-term success. It's our privilege. Give us a call today, and we look forward to helping you. Thank you.